If you're a skinny guy, there's a good chance you've experienced this before. Someone asks you to move something heavy, and they immediately look for someone else. Someone talks about strength, fighting, sports, or hard work, and nobody looks in your direction. You walk into a room full of men and feel invisible. Not because you're ugly, not because you're stupid, because you look weak. And before you get offended, listen carefully. Looking weak doesn't mean you are weak, but people judge what they can see. And if you're tired of looking like the kid nobody takes seriously, today I'm going to give you the exact blueprint. No motivation, no fake alpha advice, no confidence hacks, just the system. The same system that has transformed thousands of skinny boys into stronger men. Let's start with the first thing you need to understand. Most guys think they look weak because they don't have enough muscle. That's only half the truth. The real problem is that they're trying to build strength backwards. They focus on the small stuff. Better haircut, better clothes, better angles, better lighting. Meanwhile, their body hasn't changed. And here's the reality. The world doesn't care how motivated you are. It reacts to what you become. So if you want to stop looking weak, you need to start building evidence. Evidence that your body is stronger. Evidence that you're capable. And it starts with phase 1. Gain your first 10 pounds. Most skinny guys don't need a complicated workout. They need size. That's it. Look at your body honestly. If the scale barely moves, your appearance won't either. This is why so many guys train 4 years and still look the same. They train hard, then eat like a bird. Your mission isn't to gain 30 pounds. Not yet. Your mission is to gain your first 10 pounds. Because those first 10 pounds change everything. Your shirts fit differently. Your shoulders look broader. Your arms stop looking tiny. Your face looks healthier. You stop looking fragile. So here's the rule. Weigh yourself every morning. Aim to gain around half a pound per week. Eat protein at every meal. Track your body weight. Because what gets measured gets improved. Your first goal is size. Phase 2. Build the 4 muscles that change your entire look. Now let's talk training. Most beginners waste years because they train muscles that don't change how they look. They chase arm workouts. Meanwhile, their frame stays the same. If you want to stop looking weak, focus on 4 areas. Number 1. Shoulders, specifically side delts. Wider shoulders instantly make your entire body look stronger. Number 2. Lats, the muscles on your back. These create the V-taper. This is one of the biggest visual upgrades a man can make. Number 3. Upper chest. A flat chest makes you look underdeveloped. An upper chest gives your body structure. Number 4. Neck. This one is massively underrated. So instead of doing random workouts, build your training around these areas. Pull-ups, overhead press, incline press, lateral raises, again and again. 4 months, not days. Phase 3. Get stronger every single week. Here's where most people fail. They work out, but they don't train. There's a difference. Working out is exercise. Training is progression. Training means, last week you did 8 pull-ups. This week you do 9. Last week you bench 60 kilos. This week you bench 62.5. Last week you did 20 push-ups. This week you do 25. The body adapts when you give it a reason to adapt. Without progression, nothing changes. Phase 4. Become athletic. Now we separate ourselves from most fitness channels. Because building muscle isn't enough. You also need athleticism. Think about the strong men you've seen. Fighters, wrestlers, gymnasts, sprinters. They don't just have muscle. They move differently. So pick one physical skill. Boxing, wrestling, calisthenics, sprinting, anything, and commit to it. Why? Because skill-based training teaches your body to become useful, and useful bodies look different. Phase 5. Fix the weak signals. Now we address the final layer. Because even after gaining muscle, some guys still look weak. They're constantly looking down, shoulders rolled forward, walking with hesitation, trying not to be noticed. Start paying attention to this. When you walk, look ahead. When you sit, open your posture. Strong people don't shrink themselves. Let's imagine 2 versions of you. Version 1, same body weight, same habits, Same excuses. Still waiting. Still hoping. Still consuming transformation content. Version 2. More strength. A physical skill you've practiced 4 months. A body that reflects effort. A body that reflects discipline. A body that reflects capability. Which version gets taken more seriously? You already know the answer. Don't spend the next 6 months trying to create the illusion of strength. Spend the next 6 months building it. Gain your first 10 pounds. Build your frame. Get stronger every week. Develop athletic ability. Fix the signals. That's the blueprint. Subscribe to the Quiet Alpha. The journey begins now.